4.3. Let's speak. A. Look, listen and repeat. 1. The little girl is sitting between her mother and father. 2. The duck is swimming with her ducklings. 3. The birds are flying over the trees. 4. The butterflies are fluttering around the flowers. 5. The man is standing near the car. 6. The car is parked under the tree. 7. The boy is sitting by the stream. 8. She was the only girl playing among the boys. B. Look and say. Between. With. Over. Among. Near. Under. By. Around.